Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Rossmoor, local, and long-distance movers near me. We provide the best experienced long-distance moving solutions to help make your move so much easier. Choosing our crew to assist you means your cross-country relocation is going to go smoothly. Our moving services provide you all the best choices to individualize your move for your own specific needs. Our experts handle all of the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you need to work with a California moving company, justifying the cost can seem challenging. A better look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a smart option. Any good moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. Movers can also assure you don't need to manage any of the heavy lifting. With our skilled movers, you receive a very effective move from beginning to end. You don't have to stress over devoting several days managing your move when you choose 3 movers to help. Even though your move is large enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in no more than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rossmoor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.